Hello students, welcome to my channel S Goel Mathematics. So students, today we learned how to multiply a matrix of 2 cross 2. First, you should learn when matrix multiplication is possible. So, we take some examples. Let A matrix is A1, A2 and A3. Okay, this is 1 cross 3 matrix. 1 means the row of this matrix is 1 and 3 means the column of this matrix is 3. This called row and this called column of a matrix. Okay. Now let's take a matrix B which is B1, B2 and B3. Which is first we here write the row of a matrix. So 1, 2, 3. 3 row in this matrix, 3. Then column. How many columns in this matrix? Only 1. ठीक है, this column only 1 column. So B is a 3 cross 1 matrix. Now, when the matrix multiplication is possible, when column of this matrix are equals to row of this matrix. AB 1 cross 3, B 3 cross 1. Then the column of this matrix equals to row of this matrix. This is matrix A and this is matrix B. When the column of this matrix A equals to the row of the matrix B, then the matrix multiplication is possible. And when we multiply A and B, we get a new matrix 1 cross 1. Okay. Now let's check second example. Here we take A matrix. A1, A2 is 1 cross 2. The row of this matrix is 1 and the column of this matrix is 2. Okay. Next we take next matrix B1, B2, C1, C2. Now the row of this matrix 1 and 2 and the column of this matrix also 2. This is a 2 cross 2 matrix and this 1 cross 2 matrix. Now you first check the matrix multiplication of these two matrices is possible. Okay, let's check. AB. You write AB here. The matrix A is 1 cross 2. Okay. The matrix B is 2 cross 2. Okay, great. Now let's check the column of this matrix. The column of A matrix is 2. Okay. Next, the row of this matrix is 2. So matrix multiplication is possible. In next example, we solve a matrix multiplication of 2 cross 2 matrix. Students, now we multiply the matrix A and the matrix B. The matrix A is 2 cross 2 and the matrix B is 2 cross 2. So students, how we multiply these two matrices? First, we take first row of this matrix and first column of this matrix. Okay. And then multiply 1 into 1 plus 2 into minus 2. This is first element of our matrix AB. So matrix AB equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equals to 1, 0, minus 2 and 1. Here matrix multiplication is possible because column of this matrix is 2 and row of this matrix is 2. Then matrix multiplication is possible because column of this matrix is 2 equals to row of this matrix. Okay. Now this equals to 1 multiplied by 1. So we write 1 multiplied by 1, 1 into 1 then the addition sign, 2 multiplied by minus 2. 2 multiplied by minus 2. Easy. The second element of this matrix, how we multiply? We take first row of this matrix and second column of this matrix. And how we multiply? 1 multiplied by 0, 1 into 0, then add 2 into 1. 2 into 1. Easy. Okay. Next, we take second row of this matrix and first column of this matrix. Now we take second row of this matrix and first column of this matrix, then we get that element. Okay, how we multiply? 3 multiplied by 1, this is 3 into 1, and add 4 into minus 2, which is minus 8. Very easy. Next, this element, we take second row of this matrix and second column of this matrix. We take second row of this matrix and second column of this matrix. Okay. So 3 into 0. Here write 3 into 0. We multiply and then we add 4 into 1. Okay. Now your matrix multiplication is complete. 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. 2 into this is minus 2. Okay. So now we get the final answer. 2 multiplied by minus 2 plus 1, which is minus 4 plus 1 equals to minus 3. Okay. This is 2 plus 0. 2. Final answer. Minus 8 plus 3, minus 5, and 4 plus 0. 4 into 1 equals to 4, plus 3 into 0 equals to 0. Here we write 4. Okay, this is your answer, and we get the matrix is also 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, when we multiply AB matrix, we get the matrix of 2 cross 2. This is 2 cross 2 matrix. Here we get 2 columns and 2 rows of this matrix. Now let's recall the matrix multiplication method. So we take 2 matrices. First we check the matrix multiplication is possible or not. When the column of this matrix A and the row of this matrix is equal, then the matrix multiplication is possible. First step is this. Now this is your 2 cross 2 matrix and this is your 2 cross 2 matrix. Then how we get first element? We take first row of this matrix and first column of this matrix. Now we multiply 1 into 1 plus 2 into minus 2. We get first element. Okay. Now for second element, we take first row of this matrix and second column of this matrix. 1 into 0 plus 2 into 1. For third element, we take second row of this matrix and first column. Okay, second row of this matrix and first column of this matrix. Then 3 into 1 plus 4 into minus 2. This is minus 8. Fourth element, 3 into 0 plus 4 into 1. So simple. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to Ask Goel Mathematics and press the bell icon so we rock in maths.